If you're trying to open your Discord app on your computer but it's not opening, this tutorial reviewer will show you how to fix Discord not opening problem. So the first solution is close Discord in Task Manager and restart Discord. To do that, click on the search icon and search here Task Manager, then open the Task Manager app. Select the Processes tab and here search for Discord. Now click on Discord and click on End Task. Once done, close the Task Manager and try to relaunch your Discord app. Hope this will fix your problem. And the second solution is use CFC to repair corrupted system files to fix Discord not opening problem. To do that, click on the search box, search icon and type here CMD and open command prompt. Now write this command CFC // scan now and hit enter. Once you have done this process, restart your computer and try to relaunch the Discord app and hope this will open now. Solution number 3, clear app data and local app data to fix Discord not opening problem. To do that, press Windows key and type this and click on OK. And here find Discord folder. Once you get it, delete the folder. Once done, relaunch the Discord app to see if it can open. And the last solution is open the Discord official website and discord.com and here log into your account and then try to reopen your Discord app and hope this will fix the problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial Reviewer. See you in the next video.